I'm live! Ito yung steak ni Iloco na may veggie. Okay, yan. Simple lang po yan. May natin ikakat. Ito natin, ganyan. Ganyan, let's try. Butter yan. Yan. Gusto niya yung well done. Ako, ayaw ko. Gusto ko ay rare. Ang gagawin natin, yan. Plating na. Mainsan. Yan. Yung ang gagawin natin ito. Pero tayong try na organic market. Papukin yan. Tirada. Yan po. Malapit na. Yan. Nagko-complain sa aking kalat. Nagko-complain. Aking mga alipores. Ang ating steak ni Iloco with a twist. Yan ang, ayan o. With a twist. Yun. Yan po, malapit na po. Ating ako mag-enjoy yung mga kain dito. Yan. Malapit na po. 3 minutes. Yan. So, yung lips, dapat meron kayong cook dito. Yan. So, Reyes Tonta. Ayan. Konting mekos. You like it? Not yet. Wait lang ha.
It's overcooked, Dad.
No,
You overcooked it.
No, your mama like okay na.
No, she does now.
Put it here. Ali. Yan. How was it?
You overcooked the steak, Dad. Why did you cook yours all rare and then the other?
No, you para sa inyo, kailangan well done. Kailangan meron kayong cooks dito.
No, Mom likes it that way too now. Right,
Really?
Mom?
I didn't know. It's not overcooked. Some are not.
This is overcooked.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Okay, tell Kevin to taste it.
I'm waiting a little bit.
Wow! Look at that. There you go. What are you eating?
Popcorn.
Popcorn?
Yeah.
Why?
If you want some popcorn.
Wow, look at that. Okay, this is worth $300. Okay. Yum. Ready. Steak with a twist. Ayos ba? Kain na kayo. Ay, bush.
Hey.